Okay, so this one's the GoPro HERO7 Black. It's capable of 4K at 30 frames per second, and standard 1080p at 60. It has the auto stabilization, uh, as well as I believe it can do like
It's good. Do you like it?
yeah, it's awesome.
And
It's
I
good
know
quality video.
I know that
It
you.
can do slow-mo at
Yeah,
various stages.
the slow mo is awesome from watching the
Yeah,
cat in the yard go past it.
yeah.
That was fun. And the stabilization is cool because I am jiggling this thing. I should do it actually on the GoPro. um, and all right, thank you.